How to enable microphone on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable microphone on WhatsApp. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your WhatsApp. Once you're in the WhatsApp, when you tap the microphone, you can see the pop-up that says to record a voice message, WhatsApp need access to your iPhone's microphone. Now, in order to give access to microphone, you need to head over to your settings. So simply tap on settings option and this will take you to the WhatsApp settings. Now, as you can see that the microphone option is toggled off, you need to simply go ahead and toggle that on. And once you do that, I hope the problem will be solved. In order to check, head over to your WhatsApp again and then you can tap on the microphone located in the bottom right corner of your screen, and as you can see that it is now recording. And that's it. It's that easy to enable microphone on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.